Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide your real name on PayPal. And what I suggest you do is just log into your PayPal account, come to the top right, click on this gear cog, and this will open up your account settings. So just scroll down. Here you'll actually see upgrade to business account. So what we're going to be doing once you upgrade to a business account, because this allows you to transact under a business name instead of your personal legal name. And this business name will be visible to the recipients of your payments or requests. And just make sure the email you're actually using, okay, does not have your personal name. If that is the case, it'll be much easier for you. So just click here and upgrade to a business account. And then right here, choose business. Okay, choose your business type and then click on next. And then they'll ask you which option is best for you. So you can either create a separate business account if you want to do that. That's fine. Otherwise, what you can do is you can convert your personal account to a business account. Okay? And then you can hide your real name on PayPal. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.